Myself Josmi. Here in this session we are going to see the conversion between number system. This is in continuation of the previous session. Here we are going to see how to convert a binary number to octal and octal to binary and binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary and conversion between octal number and hexadecimal number. Firstly, convert the binary number to octal number. For this conversion, the procedure is like this. Break the binary number into group of 3 bits starting from the rightmost end, that is the least significant bit. If there are no 3 bits available for the leftmost group, then add 1 or 2 leading zeros to that. Then finally, replace each 3-bit group with the equivalent in octal. Let us see with an example. Here is the table of binary equivalents of the octal number. Converting 110, 101, 10 to octal. Here we are starting from the rightmost end, that is the least significant bit. Make a group of 3 bits. This is the first group, second group and third group. Here in the third group we are having only 2 bits. So for making this as a 3-bit group, we are appending a 0 in the front. So now all the bit groups are of 3 bits. Now you write the octal equivalent of the bit groups. 110 is equivalent to 6. 010 is written as 2. 011 as 3. So the octal equivalent of the given binary number is 326 to the base 8. Now we can see the conversion of octal number to binary. Here we are replacing each octal digit with the equivalent 3-bit group. This table shows the binary 3-bit group of the corresponding octal. For example, we can convert the octal number 274 into binary. Write the 3-bit groups of each digit. Here 4 is written as 100, 7 as 111, 2 as 010. So here we have a leading 0. So while writing the equivalent in binary, we can remove this leading 0 at the beginning. So 274 in binary can be written as 101, 11100. Now let's move on to the conversion of binary number to hexadecimal number. Here we are forming a group of 4 bits starting from the rightmost end. Then for this 4-bit group, we are writing the equivalent hexadecimal number. If there are no 4 bits available for the leftmost group, then add 1 or 2 or 3 leading zeros for making this as a 4-bit group. Let us see with an example. This table shows the binary 4-bit group of the given hexadecimal symbols from 0 to 9 and A to F. We need to convert the given binary number to hexadecimal number. So start from the rightmost end, which is the least significant bit. Make a group of 4 bits. This is one 4-bit group, and the next 4-bit group is this one, and the last group is having only 2 bits. So we will be writing 2 more zeros in the beginning for making this as a 4-bit group. So here we have written 2 additional zeros in the beginning of the number. Now write the hexadecimal symbol equivalent of this 4-bit binary group. So 0, 1, 1, 0. You identify from the table 0, 1, 1, 0. Here 6 is its equivalent. So write 6 there. Now 1, 1, 0, 1 can be written as D. Then 0, 0, 1, 0 is equivalent to 2 in hexadecimal. So our binary of the binary number is 2D6. Now the reverse conversion we can see, that is from hexadecimal to binary. The table shows the hexadecimal symbol and its corresponding 4-bit group. Problem is to find the binary equivalent of DA9, which is the hexadecimal number. Write a 4-bit group for each symbol in that number. So 9 can be written as 1, 0, 0, 1. A in hexadecimal as 1, 0, 1, 0. D in hexadecimal as 1, 1, 0, 1. So the binary equivalent of DA9 is 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now let's see how to convert an octal number to hexadecimal number. For this, first we need to convert the octal number to binary, which is a group of 3 bits. Then that binary is converted to hexadecimal number by writing its equivalent in 4-bit groups. Let's see with an example. Convert 274 in octal to its hexadecimal form. Here 27 is the given octal number. First we are going to convert the octal number to binary, and then we are making that binary as a group of 4 bits, and then that binary is converted into hexadecimal. Here you start from the rightmost end or the least significant digit. Here 4 is written as 100 in binary, 7 as 111, 2 as 010. Now make this binary form as a group of 4 bits for converting that into hexadecimal. So here you take one more bit from the second group. So this becomes 1100. Next becomes 1011. And here in the last position it is only 10. So make this as all zeros. Now for this 4-bit group, write the equivalent in hexadecimal. So 1100 in hexadecimal is C, 1011 in hexadecimal is B, and 000 is equivalent to 0 in hexadecimal. 274 in octal is equivalent to BC in hexadecimal. Now we can see how to convert hexadecimal number to octal number. Here the procedure is first to convert the hexadecimal number to binary and then from binary to octal number. Let's see with an example. Convert 9D to octal. So write the 9D as a group of 4 bits. So first convert the 9D into binary, then to octal. So here D is equivalent to 1101 in binary. 9 is equivalent to 1001. Now make this binary number as a group of for 3 bits. So here 101, then here 011, then 10. So here we have only 2 bits. So make this as 3-bit group by appending a 0 in the beginning. So here the 010, 011, 101. So write the octal equivalent of this 3 bits group. So 101 equivalent in octal is 5, 011 is 3 in octal, and 010 is 2. So number 9D is equal to 235 in octal number system. So here we have discussed the conversion of octal number to binary and binary to octal, and how to convert a hexadecimal number to binary and binary to hexadecimal, and the conversion of octal number to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal number. Answers for the session are given here. Thank you. See you in the next session.